Settle in and get comfortable as we embark on a journey into the rainforest with the capybaras. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing on the edge of the Amazon rainforest. You can feel the humidity in the air and the warmth of the sun on your skin. The sounds of the rainforest fill your ears. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the distant call of a monkey. Take a deep breath and let the scent of the lush vegetation fill your senses. As you begin to walk through the dense vegetation, you hear the sound of rain falling gently on the leaves, making the air feel cooler and fresher. The sound is soothing and calming, and you feel yourself beginning to relax. You look around and see the vibrant colors of the rainforest, the deep greens of the trees, and the bright flowers that are scattered throughout. As you continue on your walk, you come across a small stream. You pause to listen to the sound of the water as it gently flows by, and you notice the wildlife around you. A bright yellow butterfly lands on a nearby leaf, and a small lizard scurries across a rock. You feel a sense of peace and wonder as you watch these creatures in their natural habitat. As you move further along the stream, you come across a group of capybaras. They're the largest rodents in the world, and they're grazing peacefully on the lush vegetation near the water's edge. You watch as they nibble on the leaves, and their soft grunts and whistles fill the air. They move slowly and gracefully, and you feel a sense of calm wash over you as you watch them. Capybaras are fascinating animals. They're native to South America and can be found in a variety of habitats, including the Amazon rainforest. They're social animals and often live in groups of up to 20 individuals. In the wild, they can live for up to 8 years. One of the capybaras, a small one, begins to playfully dart back and forth along the water's edge, splashing in the cool water. You can see the joy and happiness in their movements and feel yourself smiling in response. The other capybaras seem to take no notice, continuing to graze peacefully. Capybaras are known for their love of water, and they're excellent swimmers. They have webbed feet that make them highly adapted to aquatic life. In the wild, they often use the water to escape predators, and they can stay underwater for up to 5 minutes at a time. As you continue to watch the capybaras, you see them start to move towards a nearby river. You follow them to the riverbank and watch as they emerge from the water, their fur glistening in the sunlight. Suddenly, you notice that one of the capybaras has an orange balanced precariously on their head. It's a comical sight, and you can't help but laugh at the absurdity of it. The capybaras continue to play and splash in the water, and you feel a deep sense of relaxation and joy as you watch them. Their carefree and playful nature is infectious, and you find yourself feeling lighter and happier. As the capybaras continue to play, you take a moment to breathe deeply and take in the beauty of the rainforest around you. As you sit and watch the capybaras, you notice the other wildlife around you. A toucan perches on a nearby branch, and you see the bright colors of its feathers. A family of howler monkeys swing through the trees, their deep howls echoing through the rainforest. A caiman rests on a log in the river, basking in the sun, its scales reflecting the light. The rainforest is full of life and wonder, and the capybaras are just one small part of this incredible ecosystem. As you sit and observe, you realize that there is so much to learn and appreciate about the natural world around us. The capybaras eventually tire themselves out and begin to make their way back onto the land. You watch as they shake off the water and start to graze once again on the vegetation nearby. You feel a sense of peace and contentment as you watch them, and you realize that there's something deeply calming about observing these animals in their natural habitat. As you start to make your way back through the rainforest, you reflect on the experience you just had. You think about the capybaras and how they seemed so carefree and playful. You realize that sometimes we need to take a cue from the animals around us and find joy and happiness in the simple things. You also realize that there's so much we can learn from the natural world around us. The rainforest is full of complex ecosystems and relationships between plants and animals. It's a reminder that we're all interconnected and that we need to take care of the world we live in. As you exit the rainforest and return to the present moment, you feel a sense of gratitude for the experience you just had, feeling refreshed and rejuvenated from your journey into the rainforest with the capybaras. You realize that the natural world has so much to offer us if we take the time to observe and appreciate it. Remember that the calm and joy you felt while watching these animals is always within reach, and that nature has so much to teach us if we take the time to listen.